What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mcknightbo. We are here with another video. As you guys can tell about a little bit of the intro, that it's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I had to take the car out today. I wanted to show and tell what plans in the future, and I probably already mentioned this in the last video, what I plan on doing to the car. I'm gonna one day in the future supercharge the car, not just any supercharger. I want to pro charge it. I really want a P1X or a D1X, one of the two. I'm not sure yet which one I want to go with, but I'm going with one of them. I'm gonna do some flybys and oh shoot, dang, I gotta figure out how to get this camera to stay still. But yeah, anyway, what I was saying was, before the camera failed, let me turn it. I'm gonna probably the D1X, P1X, one of the two supercharger on this car. I'm gonna do it myself. It's gonna take some time to do. I've never put a pro charger on a car before, but I don't think it's gonna be that bad to try to figure out. These bumps are horrendous. Boom. See, every bump I hit, the camera's moving. I had one of those, what's it called? What kind of mount is that? I had one of those hat mounts, but couldn't find it in the house, so I'm just kind of rigging it at this point. Yeah, we gotta definitely do a flyby. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this sucker in drive real quick. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. This is definitely gonna be a bit of a struggle. It's got a full exhaust system on it. I don't know if I said that or not, but I don't even know if I was recording. Good boy. That boy runs, boy. Should have did a different flyby, actually. But 305s in the rear, 295s in the front, cold air intake, you know, the normal stuff. But I'm gonna put a cold air, I mean not a cold air, but a pro charger. I don't know if I'm gonna do the P1X or the D1X. I'm gonna do one of them. Let me get my GoPro real quick. back. So yeah, I might just do that. I don't know. We'll just have to see. I want to build this car up, make it look pretty. I'm going to get the suspension set up first and then go from there. Flybys of the car just because I wanted to hear what it sounded like on camera, but I'm pretty sure this car is loud. What is it? Kooks headers, Corsa Extreme. It's an H pipe into Corsa Extreme Catback. No, it's not Corsa Extreme. It's Borla Atak Catback. So yeah. It scoots pretty well. It does a good job, and I'm hoping this camera's holding up nicely. Hopefully it's not all facing down and whatnot. But I just had to shoot a quick little video. I wish I had my hat mount. I would have put my hat mount on and did it from there, but I'm kind of rigging it up, making it look pretty. I'm low on gas, so I'm not gonna floor it too much. I give it a little pull, and when I mean little, I keep it below 5,000. Sometimes, not all the times, I keep it below, but like I'd say once a week, Saturdays, I pull it out, I'll drive it. I won't get it up to 7. The most I'll do is probably like 6.5. The top, well, yeah, I've done 7 before once, but I usually keep it at 6.5, or matter of fact, below 6 usually. Somebody's calling me. Let's not. I'm busy, bro. Trying to shoot my video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little short video. And like I said, I'm gonna pro charge it one day. It won't be right now, but pretty soon I'm gonna pro charge it. Not pretty soon. Give it about a couple years when we've got a house, when I've got a house and everything. Got some kick to it, bro. It's crazy. Like, see, that's about as far as I take it usually, because it's loud as it is. Yeah, but anyway, camera's starting to move a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. Hit that like button for me, please. And as always, guys, let's ride these suckers.